Enlightenment philosophers. There were two other important philosophers that had a big effect on the Founding Fathers, the Constitution, our government. First one was Thomas Paine, and then the other one was Voltaire. Voltaire was a French Enlightenment philosopher in the 1700s who had a great belief in the freedom of speech, free markets, and freedom of religion. The biggest one that he had an impact on the United States was freedom of speech. He famously said, "I will fight to the death your right to say whatever hideous, terrible, awful thing that you would say." But he also believed in freedom of religion and freedom of free markets, and that people's freedom was most important. Thomas Paine, basically Common Sense is his pamphlet that he wrote. This was an argument for the revolution, trying to convince people in the colonies, New York, New England, Boston, that it is better for the colonies to basically go away, split off from England. And this was a well-written, well-received, famous document. It's called Common Sense. And Thomas Paine was considered one of the founding fathers. He actually came from England, came a few years, maybe 10 years before. He created his own business, did some things in different places, but he actually was a great writer. He has written quite a few pamphlets, other books. One of the other ones is Age of Reason. He wrote while he was in France, and it was about religion. And this one, while very famous and very important about religion, it basically got him ostracized, and people, I think 6 people actually showed up to his funeral when he died. He's really not considered as important as even Ben Franklin, where he, or some of the other founding fathers, where he was very vital and important in galvanizing the support for the American Revolution. Because remember, in the American Revolution, 1/3 of the people were actually patriots, 1/3 of the people were loyalists, and 1/3 really wasn't involved and didn't care. So this was a big document that was important to the founding fathers, to the patriots, in declaring their support for the revolution.